Keep it simple. Easy homemade macaroni and cheese recipe. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing a super easy and delicious recipe for homemade macaroni and cheese. It's a classic comfort food that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound elbow macaroni, 4 tablespoons butter, 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 2 cups whole milk, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cook the macaroni according to the package instructions in a large pot of salted boiling water until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a separate pot, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the flour and whisk to combine, creating a roux. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until the roux turns golden. Slowly add the milk to the roux, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Cook the mixture, whisking frequently, until it thickens and starts to simmer. Add the shredded cheddar cheese to the mixture and whisk until the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth. Season the cheese sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Add the cooked macaroni to the cheese sauce and stir until the pasta is coated in the sauce. Transfer the macaroni and cheese to a greased baking dish and bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly. Let the macaroni and cheese cool for a few minutes before serving. And there you have it, an easy and delicious homemade macaroni and cheese recipe that's sure to be a hit with your family and friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes like this one. Thanks for watching.